Hello and welcome to a new Circus-expert Yoyo tutorial. My name is Samir and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Kwijibo. Alright, Kwijibo, as you can see, it's a combo, so you will learn your first combo, yay! So what do you need? You need a double or nothing and you will need a trapeze. Both of them have a separate video, so just learn them and come back to this video. If you master them, then stay here and continue with this tutorial. Alright, this trick is a little bit challenging because it demands you to master the cross depending on which situation you are in. So if you're on a trapeze, for example, you need to do it that way, and if you're in another way, then that. It might look the same for you, but you will notice what I mean by situation. Alright, let's start with a trapeze. Okay, and learn how to pop the yo-yo a little bit. You can just throw it like this if you want to. Once you pop the yo-yo, you need to move your throw hand to the left side and your non-throw hand to the right side, if you're right-handed, of course. If you're left-handed, then the reverse. Important is that your right hand is above your non-throw hand and your non-throw hand is below it. So something like this needs to be done, okay? So let's pretend the yo is in the air right now and my non-throw hand is here. What you need to do is like move it like this, okay? And your non-throw hand needs to be moved like this because you need to cross it like this. So throw hand, cross from above, the non-throw hand like that. And you need to land your string here on this string. So basically here somewhere. Okay, let me do it once to demonstrate it for you. So trapeze, pop, bam. Okay, if you landed that, practice it a little bit. If you master this, then let's continue. Now swing the yo-yo. If you're right-handed, clockwise, and if you're left-handed, counterclockwise. So now you're on another cross this time. What you need to do is like pop the yo-yo again and do the same thing in reverse. So basically, if you're like that, the yo needs to pop, non-throw hand moves on outside and throw hand also outside. So you get into the initial position again, okay? Like this. Here. You pop the yo-yo, non-throw hand needs to be above this time, non-throw hand and throw hand needs to be below, like this. And then you're on a double or nothing. And double or nothing, well, you learned it, so you know how to do it. And then you roll your yo-yo out. One more time. Trapeze. Pop, okay. Cross above. Rotate. Pop. And then land it here. One last time. This time I'll just tell you what to do with your throw hand, because automatically you will do the opposite with your non-throw hand. Okay, pop, above, cross. Rotate, pop, decross, and then below. And then you're on a double or nothing, roll out, and you can repeat the trick. So it's a repeater basically. Alright, I hope everything was clear and you learned your first combo. This trick is a little bit tricky, as I said. You need to get a hang of the cross. But if you have a question, as always, just drop them in the comments down below. I will help you out with that. And if there are any questions left or stuff that are unclear, I will just do a new video which explains the exact same part. So no worries. Yeah, I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like our video, and we will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.